fast. We've got fast and we've got ham. Right?
Get out of me! Get out of me! And then guys, so I'm gonna bake my cake and then going over to mum and dad's house, and then chuck it all in the bin. And my holidays officially start. I'm back at work on the 28th of December. But for now, holiday fa solo agora mesmo. Okay guys, good morning. It is Thursday and I'm officially on holidays. I've just cooked my family breakfast. Oh, forgot the juice. Siaosi is still at work. I'm on hold to IINet, trying to get our internet connected still. It has been a joke. What is up, SV squad? It's your girl, Victoria, back again. Sorry, I got something in my mouth. With another video. We're about to go to the mall, but first, I just got to call the police to come and take someone to jail. Hello, is this officer? Yes, we have a little child here who keeps on eating so much sweets. Can you come pick him up and take him to jail?
No.
Come right now.
No.
And then pick up his mum and his brother Mona and his daddy and take them all to jail. Bye. Okay, will you be a good boy? Okay, let me cancel that order, okay? Alright, don't worry, police. It's okay. He's gonna give the chocolate to me.
Don't take Mona and Ingrid.
Okay, just take Mona and Ingrid. Or do you want to take you instead?
No.
Do you want Mummy to go instead?
No.
You or Mummy?
Mummy.
Danny.
Who?
Daniel.
No. Ingrid and Mona.
No, Daniel's being a good boy. You're getting coal for Christmas because you've been so naughty and you're such a pest. You have been so naughty. Yes, you're getting coal and that's all you're getting for Christmas.
Good boy.
No, you are not. You are far from it, Amaziah. You tried to lock me out. Guys, I'm not a bully, I promise. It's just because he is so annoying. You guys do not see what he does. You don't see what he does, how annoying he is. He's such a pest. Like, honestly, he's like a little mosquito that just won't go away. It just keeps coming back for more, keeps coming back for more, keeps coming back for more. That's it, I'm calling the police right now. Come and get Messiah right now, immediately. Don't call me a bully or the police are coming.
You're a bully.
You're a bully, girl.
Say hello to everyone. Say hello.
Hello.
What else? So we're gonna go to the mall now, and Mum's taking her time. Why are you taking a long time, Mum? And look at that Christmas tree over there. It's naked. It's got no decorations. Oh yeah, Mum, we forgot to bring our balls that are at home that we haven't used because our Christmas tree is so small. Well, yeah, because you don't have any presents under yours.
So small.
Oh.
Every day.
Don't stand on the chair, Zaya. Don't stand on the chair.
Because I'm lucky.
That's it.
No,
Hey, Bobby.
Hello everyone.
How was your last day of work?
Yeah, that's so good. But thanks God for judging about this here. It's finished and done. Welcome. Well done, boys.
What?
Thanks God for His protection through this here. We done well. Nothing happened. Thanks God. Praise the Lord. So now we're going more. Buy some gift for the or some present for the Christmas next Monday. Hope you enjoy our video and keep it up.
Why are you clapping?
Subscribe,
Why are you clapping?
like, and like.
Let's go. That's our new door, guys. Well, my mum and dad's new door. So, it's coded. You have to put the code in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can I play?
Ah, that was a wrong code. No, we're not going to iPlay and you're not coming.
Why?
Because you're being such a pest. You're going to annoy us. Are you going to annoy us all day?
No.
Yes, you will. Who are you talking to? Amaziah,
Finger.
who are you talking to? Are you talking to the police?
I'm not. I'm just happy.
We don't have any.
Talking to my mom.
If I go
Mommy.
That's just your finger, you liar.
No,
That's just your finger, you liar. Alright, bye. Talk to your finger. We're going now. Guys, we just came shopping for the kids and we got Big Man a car. And Amaziah a dinosaur, which is in the bag. My face looks kind of red, doesn't it, honey? Is my face red? Yeah. And we got, yeah, it is. It's a light of Kmart. But we got Amaziah a dinosaur, Big Man a car, and we're gonna give. Darnell. No, that's Big Man's.
Is that mine?
No.
What is it?
Amaziah, stop it.
Hey.
Put it in the bag. No, I want to wrap it up.
Is that mine?
No, it's not. It's Big Man's. Yeah, see, I'm gonna wrap right up here. We just got home and I'm about to wrap the kids' presents. No, honey, because then you have to rip it all out and do all the stuff, and we don't have. No. Well, then we can return it. No, just leave it. No. Siaosi wants to open Big Man's car. The weirdo. And we got Amaziah that dragon because he loves dinosaurs and dragons. Oh. And Aussie got me this bag, but I'm gonna wrap it up anyways and put it under our tree. Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning, guys. Now we're here at the mall doing some shop for the Christmas time.
And I've started using my bag that Aussie got me. It's so nice.
Look, guys, I bought this expensive one.
Can you stop? It wasn't even that expensive. We walked in only going to get like a few things, and we got a full trolley full.
Slippery my shoes.
Slippery your shoes. And bought Siaosi some new slides for Christmas. He couldn't wait, he wanted to put them on straight away. Good morning SV squad and welcome back to another video. We just want to wish you guys a very, very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year this day. So Siaosi and I have woken up, oh my gosh, look at my face, it looks red. Siaosi and I have woken up early. Last night we did We made some things. I made a banana cake. Some bangi popo. And the small one. And at the moment, I'm about to cook my roast.
Everyone, Merry Christmas everyone, all our friends and all our subscribers, Merry Christmas. We're bringing on another video for you guys to wish you a Merry Christmas and also a Happy New Year if we be there.
What? Anyways, so we're getting ready to go to the fields because we're gonna have a game stay at the park, play volley, but it actually looks like it's gonna rain. Is it?
Look like.
Okay guys, so I've only got one earring in. Anyways, must have had good sleep. But start chopping this up. Where's the chopping board? Where's the chopping board? Woohoo! Aw, there's a cute little message. Merry Xmas, babe. Well, that's a big giveaway. I feel like a little kid again. Wow! Why are you laughing?
That's your present.
Wow! And I was right. You got me a large cosmetic compact.
That's an expensive one for you. That's an expensive one for you, girl.
What?
You think it's a cheaper one? No, that's an expensive one for you.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Well, I'm very grateful anyways. Thank you, honey. It's got 6 blush, 2 face powder, 4 eyebrow powder, 4 lip gloss in a pan, 28 eyeshadow, 5 eyeshadow cream, 1 liquid liner and 1 mascara. I'm more excited about these. Honestly, we actually got other Christmas gifts, but we wanted to use it first. Like, we couldn't be bothered wrapping them. So Siaosi also got me a bag, which I've been using already. And something else, I can't remember. And I got Siaosi this, which I couldn't be bothered wrapping.
No.
So nice. Woohoo! Woo-hoo! It open.
What the hell? What do you bring this for me for? Look. That's good. Siaosi hazelnut spread with cocoa. Look, this is mine. Thank you, baby.
Okay, open the other one.
You see this? If you want this, call me or comment below. And this is my other present. She gave me pairs of undies. Why do you need this thing? Shut up.
No, I'm joking. I'm joking, but you didn't have many underwears.
Don't like it.
I feel like this Christmas was such a big joke. Well, not for you.
You know, I'll buy you expensive one, look.
Babe, you bought me Kmart makeup. I love it. I'm really appreciative of it, but you got me chocolate? I could have bought this by myself.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
Nah. I know you love that.
Yeah, I do love it, but...
You see, that is awesome.
Huh?
Awesome, look. Awesome. And the other one at the side.
Awesome, awesome.
So cool.
Yeah, it is cool, baby. I don't have one of those.
But why you bring me undies for? I'll go by myself, undies.
And we didn't end up getting my Mac. We almost did, but I just could not justify it. And not at this time anyways. I mean, it's a lot of money and it could have gone to more useful things. But this Christmas we just stayed home, had fun, about to go for a games day. It's all good. I just realized Siaosi wrote a big speech. So Merry Xmas, babe, and at the bottom it says, babe, that is not finished. Baby, which way did you write? Is it left to right or right to left? Babe, that is not finished. There is more coming on Christmas. I want you to know. Babe, this is your present for Christmas. It's not about the present, but is my love. I love you. Aw, thank you, honey.
Wow.
Mwah. So, where's the mall on Christmas?
We need to go yesterday.
It doesn't matter, honey. I am having some wiki picky.